We will modify this question again. And again, the idea is to increase the productivity of this. So instead of giving you angle P, we're gonna use angle Q, and that way the students don't do this by routine. And so notice that these two questions are exactly the same. Yeah, and so now we're gonna use let's see, we're gonna use a new feature. So we're gonna give angle Q. So I'm gonna modify that question. Let me see. I'm gonna duplicate it and work on this question. So now what I will do is I'm gonna open my editor, and I know angle P is that. So I will create a new angle, and I'm gonna go angle P. And so I'll say angle P. So I call it the other one angle. So I'm gonna call this angle Q. Angle Q. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say 90 minus angle P. So angle P. And so there it is. So now notice one thing. Instead of 65, now they're going to give me another angle. It's going to be angle Q. So it'll be 65, so it will be 25 in that case. So I will do the same thing I did. I'm going to create a new string, so new, and then I'll call it display angle, angle Q, and tab, and I'm just going to say, give me the string of angle Q. So of angle Q, there you go. And then we'll concatenate. And so the character, let me see, alternate 0, 176. And that's going to give me the degree symbol. And again, I'm using the key alternate, and then I enter the number 0, 176, and that gives me the little bubble that represents the symbol. So here it is, alternate 0, 176. Okay. Now I have my display there. Okay. And so I'll press OK. Now notice one thing, the answers are going to be the exact same thing. The only thing I need to do now is, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you what angle Q looks like. So I'm going to insert a variable, and my variable is display angle Q. And if I show this, when this is 66, this is 24, and notice that they are complementary. They are up to 90 degrees. So I need to go back to this, and I will need to remove this. So I'll remove this box. So yes, and I'm going to get a new box. Let me see, a new text box, and it's going to be display. So I'm going to say display angle Q, and so, and let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at this, 24 degrees. And so I'm going to increase the font because the angle is a little bit smaller. I'm going to leave it at 14 degrees. Okay. And so I need to, I'm a 0, 0. So I'm going to go back the 2. So I'm going to put -2. Oh, negative 1.7. That looks correct. And then I'm going to go up a little. So I'm going to go up 2. It was too high. So 1.7, that looks correct. I'm going to reduce the font even more because, let's see, that should do. I'm going to apply it. I think that is good. Let me just go back a little bit more towards the left. So 1.8, that is perfect. That is perfect. Apply, okay. So again, if I want to put a new question, notice that is the exact same question. And if I want to, I can change the values over here. And so R, instead of going from 8 to 64, um, I'll leave the angle the same way it is, or I can even go 50 if I want, 50 to 66 or 51 to 67, so that it gives me new values. And then I can change this to whatever I want. I can go from 12 to 80. Okay? And again, I can go steps of 4. It doesn't really matter. And so done. And now look at this. I have a whole new problem. And now I have to use the cosine in this case. And so again, to solve this one, I use the cosine, and to solve this one, I use the sine function. Thank you.